This will be a 4-day gun find roundup.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the Jamaica Constabulary Force managed to seize a number of weapons this week, especially on Thursday the 18th of March. These include finds in St. Elizabeth, where the police seized one AK-47 rifle with 4 rounds of ammunition in Roses Valley, Balaclava. 4 men were taken into custody in relation to that seizure. The Constant Spring Police seized one M1 assault rifle along with 8 rounds of ammunition in the Plum Plain area of Kingston 8. 2 men were arrested in connection with the seizure. The Anti-Lottery Scam Task Force seized 2 semi-automatic pistols, including an extended magazine and over 100 rounds of ammunition, during an operation in Cambridge, St. James. The Trelawney Police also managed to seize 2 illegal firearms. 1 Smith & Wesson pistol and 1 Intratec submachine gun were seized during an operation in the D-Side district in the parish about 8 a.m. on Thursday. Also on Thursday, March 18th, the Clarendon Police seized 2 illegal firearms with several rounds of ammunition and arrested 3 men during an operation in Woodside, Clarendon. A motor vehicle was also seized in that incident. Now, a team of officers seized a 9mm Ruger pistol and 7 rounds of ammunition during an operation on Tuesday the 16th of March in Trelawney. No arrest was made, however, investigations continue. Meanwhile, members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch seized one AK-47 rifle and a magazine containing 6 7.62 rounds of ammunition during an operation in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday the 15th of March. Investigations into that incident are still ongoing.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!